Hello Creative Cubs! Today we're drawing Peppa Pig's house. Yay! Grab your paper, pencil and some bright colors. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we'll draw the big shape of the house. Make a big rectangle in the middle of the paper. Nice and slow. Big rectangle. Next up, let's draw a line on the side of the house to give it a 3D look. Now add a triangle on top of the rectangle for the roof. Make the triangle pointy like a little hat. Now let's draw the slanted side of the roof. Let's draw windows. Make a square. Now split each window with a plus sign. That makes window panes. Time for the door. Draw a small rectangle at the bottom. Add a little doorknob. Tiny circle. Knock knock. Now let's draw 4 more windows on the front of the house. And look, Peppa's house has a tiny antenna on top. Draw a short line up from the roof and a few little lines across. Just like this. Perfect! Let's add some fun outside. Draw a round sun in the corner. Now let's draw the ground where Peppa's house stands. Make a big curved line under the house, like a little hill. Next up, let's draw a cloud. To color! Now let's color our sun yellow. Now let's color the roof brown. Add grooves on the roof. They make the roof look like real tiles. Wow! That looks amazing. Next up, let's color the house yellow. Let's color the windows blue. Lastly, let's color the hill green. Yay! Our Peppa Pig house is all done. Doesn't it look lovely? If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art for more fun drawings. Bye bye little artists!